alignment on this seam.
Reading 0.02 deviation is within tolerance.
Check the alignment on the passenger side console.
It is within tolerance. Good to proceed.
Seal looks good on this side. Confirmed. Ready for the next station.
The flash sequence is stable on Module 7.
Data streams confirm. Calibration is complete.
All points confirmed. The paint finish is flawless.
Agreed. It meets all our quality standards. Approved for release.
The alignment looks good on Bay 3.
Confirmed. Proceeding to final docking sequence.
Check the seam alignment right here. Looks within tolerance. I'll log it.
Dispatch to control. Gate sequence initiated. Carrier is ready for movement.
Confirmed clearance. Proceed to exit.
Okay, the system shows green. Release confirmed.
Good. Tell the driver he's clear to roll. All seals verified. Undercarriage is secure. Good. Generating release authorization now.
We have green across the board.
Acknowledged. Opening the bay doors now.
Visual integrity confirmed.
Acknowledged. Final clearance authorized.
The timing window for the green units just shifted to 1500. Okay, I'll update the manifest and notify the driver.
The VIN matches the documentation here. And the robotic scan confirms the carrier ID status. Looks good to ship.
Handover is confirmed. Ready for transport.
Acknowledged. The carrier is secured and ready to roll out.
The alignment looks precise on the tablet.
Confirmed. The spacing to the next unit is exactly as required.
Final weather seal check on the rear carrier.
Confirmed. All parameters are within tolerance.
Clearance confirmed on the tablet. All right, she's good to go.
Alignment confirmed for Carrier 7.
Acknowledged. Maintaining spacing at 20 meters. Proceed to next checkpoint.
Using the fluctuation on the primary sensor array.
Yes, the speed calibration is slightly off on the rear axis.
Alignment confirmed. All parameters within tolerance.
Ready for transfer.
Pressure levels stable.
Locks engaged. Green light confirmed.
Transfer sequence initiated. Bay clear.
Acknowledged. Tracking speed is nominal. The green SUV is secure. Check the pressure sensors on the tablet.
All parameters are nominal.
We have green across the board for the external transfer.
Confirmed. The carrier is advancing smoothly.
AGV is moving smoothly through Sector 4.
No interruptions detected. Final confirmation complete.